What is COVID-19 vaccine? Vaccine train your immune system to create antibodies, just as it does when it exposed to a disease. Without vaccine, our body can easily invaded by virus or bacteria. When we expose to certain virus or bacteria, our immune system creates antibodies to prevent future attack of that certain virus or bacteria. However, because vaccines contain only killed or weakened forms of germs like virus or bacteria, they do not cause the disease or put you at risk of its complications. Vaccines reduce risk of getting a disease by working with our body's natural defense to build protection. When we get a vaccine, our immune system responds. It recognizes the invading germ, such as the virus or bacteria, produces antibodies. Antibodies are protein produced naturally by the immune system to fight diseases. Remembers the disease and how to fight it. If you are then exposed to the germ in the future, your immune system can quickly destroy it before you become unwell. Our immune systems are designed to remember. Once exposed to one or more doses of a vaccine, we typically remain protected against a disease for years, decades, or even a lifetime. This is what makes vaccines so effective. Rather than treating a disease after it occurs, vaccines prevent us in the first instance from getting sick. What is vaccine efficacy? Percentage reduction in a disease in a group of people who received a vaccination in a clinical trial. Scientists can calculate how well a vaccine candidate works by looking at the difference in new cases of the disease between group receiving a placebo, group receiving the experimental vaccine. For example, Pfizer-BioNTech reported an efficacy of 95% for the COVID-19 vaccine. This means a 95% reduction in new cases of the disease in the vaccine group compared with the placebo group. In the trial for Pfizer-BioNTech, there were 43,000 participants. In the end, 170 people were affected with COVID-19. And how those people fall into each of these groups determines a vaccine's efficacy. If the 170 were evenly split, that would mean you tested likely to get sick with the vaccine as without it. So you would have it 0% efficacy. If all 170 were in placebo group and 0 people in who got the vaccine were sick, then vaccine would have an efficacy of 100%. In this particular trial, there are 162 were in placebo group and just 8 in vaccine group. It means those who vaccinated was 95% less likely to get COVID-19 and a vaccine had in 95% efficacy. It doesn't mean if 100 people are vaccinated and 5 of them will get sick. Instead, 95% applies to the individual. So each vaccinated person is 95% less likely to get sick than with a person out of vaccine to get sick as time they are exposed to COVID-19. Every vaccine efficacy rate is calculated in the same way. What is vaccine effectiveness? Vaccine effectiveness measures how well a vaccine works when given to people in the community outside of clinical trials. Currently, there are several types of vaccine available: Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna or mRNA vaccine, AstraZeneca, Oxford, Johnson & Johnson and Sputnik V are non-replicating viral vector vaccine. Sinopharm or Sinovac is whole virus vaccine. Novavax is protein subunit vaccine. Now let's talk about the efficacy of each vaccine on preventing the COVID-19. Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine is 95% effective at preventing the COVID-19, while single dose provides 80% protection. Latest update on April 2021, Pfizer-BioNTech says their vaccine offers lasting protection from COVID-19, remaining 91.3% effective for up to 6 months after the second dose, with no serious safety concern. 100% effective in preventing severe disease as defined by the US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and 95.3% effective in preventing severe disease as defined by the US Food and Drug Administration. 100% effective in preventing COVID-19 cases in South Africa, where the B1351 lineage is prevalent. Pfizer says its vaccine is safe for kids aged 12 to 15. Moderna vaccine is 94% effective at preventing the COVID-19 virus with symptoms. greater than 90% effective in preventing people with health conditions such as diabetes or obesity from developing the COVID-19 virus with symptoms, while single dose confers 80% protection. AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine is 76% effective at preventing symptomatic COVID-19. The vaccine was 81.5% effective in preventing symptomatic COVID-19 caused by non-B117 strains. 100% effective in stopping severe disease and hospitalization in a US-based clinical trial. Latest update on 31 March 2021, data from a UK phase 2 and 3 clinical trial suggests that AstraZeneca Oxford COVID vaccine is 70.4% effective against symptomatic COVID-19 caused by the B11 variant, which was identified in the United Kingdom in late 2020. The data published in the Lancet also show it was 28.9% effective at preventing asymptomatic infections or cases with unknown symptoms. Overall efficacy was 61.7% against the B117 variant and 77.3% against other variant, according to the study. Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And it is 66.3% effective at preventing the COVID-19 virus with symptoms. 72% effective in moderate to severe disease, 85% effective at preventing the COVID-19 virus with severe illness. Novavax COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine is 96.4% effective in preventing cases caused by the original version of the coronavirus in late-stage trial conducted in the United Kingdom. The vaccine was also about 86.3% effective in protecting against the more contagious virus variant in the UK. It was only around 55% effective in a separate smaller trial in South Africa, where volunteers were primarily exposed to another newer, more contagious variant. Nevertheless, across both the UK and South Africa trials, Novavax has demonstrated 100% protection against severe disease including all hospitalization and death. Sputnik V coronavirus vaccine gives 91.6% protection against COVID-19 in trial. It has also been deemed to be safe and offer complete protection against hospitalization and death. The vaccine was initially met with some controversy after being rolled out before the final trial data has been released. But scientists say its benefit has now been demonstrated. It joined the ranks of proven vaccine alongside Pfizer, Oxford, AstraZeneca, Moderna, and Janssen. Sinopharm has reported a 79% efficacy rate for its vaccine, while trials for Sinovac in Brazil and Turkey have shown an efficacy rate of just 50% and more than 80% respectively. Sinopharm, the most widely available vaccine in UAE. Emirates official says Sinopharm had proven to be 100% effective against the development of serious disease. Let's check the vaccine efficacy rate at a glance. From the available vaccine list, widely used Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine indicates 91.3% and AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine showing 77.3% efficacy in preventing COVID-19 virus. Public health experts emphasize that all the vaccines are effective, particularly at preventing serious disease. Because trials are conducted differently at different times with different variants, effectiveness figures cannot be directly compared. It remains unclear how long any of these vaccines will continue to protect people. While the small number of early trial participants have maintained levels of protective antibodies for nearly a year, companies will continue to follow volunteers for 2 years to see if their immunity begins to wane. Periodic booster shots to extend immunity or protect against new variant of the virus might be needed.